Hello dear friends, we have a direct and inverse variation question. Actually, we can say it is joint variation question, and we are told that y varies directly as the square of x and inversely as z. If x is increased by 10% and z decreased by 20%, find the percentage change in y. So first of all, we were told that y is directly proportional to square of x and inversely proportional to z. So we can remove proportionality sign by introducing a constant of proportionality. So now y will be kx squared over z. Now we can make k the subject. You are going to have yz over x squared. So it is very common here that when you have y1 z1 over x1 square, this is y2 z2 over x2 square. So here first of all, if you check the question, y1 we can say it is actually y, and x1 can be termed to be x, and z1 will be z. So we are looking, actually we have now to find the y2 equals to how much when x2, that is the case now when x is increased by 10%. So you take x plus 10%, 10 over 100 times x, you're going to get 1.1x. So that is x2. And what about z2? z2 will be z minus minus actually 10, because now it was decreased by 20%, so minus 20 over 100% times z. The result is going to be z minus 0.2 z. You have 0.8 z. Okay, now we have to find the y2. y2 now will be equal to how much, as we said before. So I'm going to plug in this equation here. We have seen that actually y1, we have seen that y1 z1 over x1 square equals to y2 z2 over x2 square. Now we are going to plug the values. So y1 is y, z1 is z, and x1 is x square equals to y2 times 0.8 z divided by 1.1 x square. So as you can see here, z are common values, also we can divide, we can actually cancel them, and x also before cancelling, maybe I can open it a little bit. So yz over x square equals to y2 times 0.8 z divided by 1.21 x square. So after this stage, now we are in a position to divide. So z and z will cancel, x square and x square will go. So we are looking for y2. y2 will be 1.21 divided by y divided by 0.8. So you have now 1.21 divided by 8. When you divide 1.21 divided by 8, sorry, 1.2 and divide by 0.8, the result is going to be 1.21 divided by 0.8. This is y2 equals to, we can say it is 121y over 8. If you multiply here by 100, you multiply also in the denominator by 100. Okay, so you have 121 divided by 80. So y2 will be, take 121 divided by 80, the result is 1.5125y. Okay, now we are looking for percentage change in y, so it will be y2 minus y1 over y1. You're going to multiply the result by 100%. So percentage change in y, will be 1.5125y minus y over y in the bracket, multiply by 100%. You can see that y is taken out of the bracket. 1.5125 minus 1 over y, you multiply by 100%. So y and y can be cancelled again, and the result now is going to be 0.5125 times 100%. So you see percentage change in y actually is 51.25%. Now refer back to the question. The question say that find the percentage change in y. So we can conclude here that percentage change in y, is 51.25%, and that is the final result. Thank you very much. This is how we are supposed to solve the question given.